Ever been on a clutch play in VALORANT, made up only for your screen to suddenly freeze, stutter, and then boom, crash to disc-off? That gut-wrenching feeling of seeing your flawless round crumble, your rank points potentially plummet, and your teammates left in the lurch is truly one of the most frustrating experiences in gaming. It's not just a minor annoyance. These mid-game crashes can completely ruin your momentum, your mood, and your chances of climbing the ladder, whether it's a random freeze-the-specific error code popping up, or just a black screen that sends you straight back to Windows. We've all been there, staring at our desktop, wondering what went wrong. But here's the good news: you don't have to just accept these crashes as an inevitable part of your VALORANT journey. In this video, we're going to tackle this head-on, exploring the most common culprits behind why your game keeps giving out mid-match. I'll arm you with practical, easy-to-follow solutions that should help you stabilize your game and keep those frustrating crashes a thing of the past. Get ready to stop crashing and start clutching again. Think of your game files like pages in a book. Sometimes a page gets torn or a word gets smudged and the whole story just doesn't make sense anymore. VALORANT's files can get corrupted or go missing during updates or even just regular play. The easiest first step is to open the Riot client, head to VALORANT and click on the settings card to initiate a repair or verify process. This will scan for any missing or damaged files and magically replace them, often fixing those mysterious crashes right away. Your graphics card is literally how your computer sees the game, and if its drivers are outdated, it's like trying to play VALORANT with blurry vision. Old drivers can cause massive instability, leading to crashes and poor performance. Head over to NVIDIA or Intel's website, find your specific graphics card model, and download the latest drivers available. A clean install is always recommended to avoid any lingering issues from older versions. Sometimes you might just be struggling to keep up with VALORANT's demands, especially if your settings are cranked too high. Try lowering your graphics quality, disabling the sync, and turning off any experimental features. Also, those cool in-game overlays from Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or even OBS can sometimes conflict with VALORANT's anti-cheat or harm system resources. Temporarily disable them and see if your game becomes more stable. VALORANT, especially with its Vanguard anti-cheat, can sometimes get picky with other software running in the background, things like certain monitoring tools, or even just a ton of Chrome tabs can compete for resources or trigger anti-cheat warnings. Before you launch VALORANT, take a moment to close anything you don't absolutely need running. If problems persist, consider checking your security software or firewalls, as they might be incorrectly flagging parts of VALORANT or Vanguard.